Hey, this is Mr. Barr, and I'm going to do the work for one none infinite. Let's get started here. Instructions. I have to have my math notebook out, which I have right here. I have to write down the problems. I have to show my work. If you don't show your work, you might not get credit. And then got to use that check answer feature. So yes, I have to correct any problems that I get wrong. I got to fix it, yes. And I have to show all my work. I get it. I'm going to check those answers. Yep, I got them right. And here we go. So question number 2. I'm going to solve this. If there's no solution, I'm going to type in no solution. If there are infinite solutions, I'm going to type in infinite solutions. If there is a solution, I'm actually going to put the solution in to Edulastic. All right, so let's go. So number 2, 3x plus 4x plus 5 plus 10 equals 18 plus 1/2. You can't see what I'm doing. 14x plus 8. So there's the problem. And we're going to just start working it and see what happens. So I'm going to combine the x's. That's going to give me a 7x plus 15 equals 18 plus 7x plus 4. Right there, right? Half of 14 is 7 and half of 8 is 4. And I'm going to keep going. So 7x plus 15 equals 18 plus 4. That's 22 plus 7x. And right here, same x's, different air bubbles, no solution. So let's type in no solution. Check that answer. It's good, and we'll keep going. Number 3, 19x equals 2, 3x minus 3 plus 9. So 19x equals 6x minus 6 plus 9. 19x equals 6x plus 3. Okay, so there is going to be a solution to this one, so I have to solve it. I'm going to start by subtracting 6x from both sides. That's going to take me to 19 minus 6 is 13x equals 3, dividing by 13, dividing by 13. So it's going to be 3 divided by 13, 3 divided by 13, which is, I'll be right back. Let me get my lights to turn back on. Which is 3 divided by 13 is 0.23. 0.7, it says round it to the nearest tenth. So that's going to just round to a 0.2. 0.2. Check my answer. It likes it. That's good. Number 4. 3, 2x plus 8 equals 21 plus 6x plus 3. That's going to be 6x plus 24 equals 6x. 21 plus 23 plus 24. Okay, 6x plus 24, 6x plus 24. It's going to be infinite. So type in infinite solutions. Now I'm going to show you, if you misspell it, it's going to mark it wrong. So it's got to be exact with the spelling. Number 5. One half 8x plus 6 minus 2x equals 17 plus 5x. Little distribution, half of 8 is 4x, half of 6 is 3, minus 2x equals 17 plus 5x. 4x minus 2x, so I've got 2x plus 3 equals, I'm just going to order this to 5x plus 17. Okay, so there's going to be one solution, but we have to find out what it is. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. That gives me 3 equals 3x plus 17. Subtracting 17 from both sides gives me negative 14 equals 3x. Dividing both sides by 3. So my answer is going to be negative 14 divided by 3, which is 4.66, so negative 4.7 with the rounding. So my calculator is saying negative 4.666, which would be negative 4.7 with the correct rounding. Negative 4.7. Good. Let's go to number 6. Three x minus 5, 4x plus 3 equals negative 6 plus 17x. So 3x distributing the negative 5, negative 20x minus 15 equals negative 6 plus 17x. 3x minus 20x is negative 17x minus 15 equals negative 6 plus 17x. Okay, negative 17x, positive 17x, they do not cancel. So I'm going to add 17x to both sides. Gives me negative 15 equals negative 6 plus 34x. Adding 6 to both sides. Negative 9 equals 34x divided by 34. So it's going to be negative 9 divided by 34, which is 0.26, which rounds to a negative 0.3. Number 7. Negative 1/3, 6x minus 12 plus 3x minus 7 equals 22 plus x. Multiplying by a negative 1/3 is just like dividing by a negative 3. So this is 6 divided by negative 3, which is negative 2x. Negative 12 divided by negative 3, which is positive 4. Negative 2x, 3x, that's going to be x. 4 minus 7 is going to be negative 3. Notice the x's are going to cancel, and this doesn't make any sense, so it's no solution. Number 8. 1/2. 4x plus 4 minus 3, 2x minus 2 equals 100 minus 4x. Some distribution, that's going to take me to a 2x plus 2 minus 6x plus 6 equals 100 minus 4x. 2x minus 6x is negative 4x plus 8 equals negative 4x plus 100. That's a no solution. X's cancel, but the variables, or the air bubbles, don't. So no solution. Number 9. 9. (3x minus 5x minus 10x) plus 13x plus 4 equals 10 plus 4x plus 4. Let's combine all these x's. Let's see, 13x plus 3x is 16x. Negative 5, negative 10, that's minus 15x. Plus 4 equals 4x plus 14, combining those guys too. So combining terms, still more combining to go though, right? 16x minus 15x, that's x, plus 4 equals 4x plus 14. Well, let's subtract x from both sides. And then subtract 14 from both sides. It's going to give me negative 10 equals 3x. Dividing by 3, dividing by 3. So it's going to be negative 10 divided by 3, which is 3.3 repeating, so negative 3.3. Number 10, negative 1/2 negative 10x minus 6 plus 2 minus 3x equals negative 17 plus 10x. Okay. Negative 1/2 of negative 10, that's 5x, because a negative times a negative is a positive. Negative 1/2 of negative 6 is positive 3, plus 2 minus 3x equals negative 17 plus 10x. 5x minus 3x is 2x. 3 plus 2 is 5. Just reordering that, I like to have the x's come first. Subtracting 2x from both sides. 5 equals 8x minus 17, adding 17 to both sides. 22 equals 8x, dividing both sides by 8. So I get 22 divided by 8. 2.75. Nearest tenth would go to 2.8. And our final one here, number 11. Negative 2x plus 6, 4x minus 1, plus 41 equals 35, plus 24x minus 2x. A little distribution, so 2x plus 24x minus 6 plus 41 equals 35, little combining of like terms, plus 22x, combining like terms, 22x, combining like terms, plus 35 equals 22x plus 35, which tells me they're infinite solutions. I'm going to check that answer. Oop, I misspelled it. Good. Now, I'm actually going to get this one wrong because I want to see something in Edulastic right now, but I know what the correct answer is. So submit this. It should not give me full credit, but I want to see if it even tells my score. It does, 91%. So I can see the score right there. If I retook it, I could fix that one. Actually, what happens if I review it? All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.